Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. Friends, in my previous videos and in my playlist there I have showed you how to use the average formula and the large formula. And today we are going to learn how to use the combination of average formula and large formula. After the video ends, please check the playlist into my channel and check the description box. There you will find the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. To learn about this formula briefly, watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously to save time. Let's open that file. So here it is. Suppose you have a data file like this, like result or a scorecard, and you have to only average the top 3 test result in the dataset. To average the top 3 scores in a dataset, you can use the combination of formula based on the large and average function. So in this example, you have to type the formula in this cell like this, equals to, at first we have to type the average formula, average, average. Then you have to open the first bracket, then you have to combine the large formula here like this. Write the large here, then it is asking for array and k. And if you have watched my previous video where I have showed you how to use the large formula and average formula, you will find this easy. After that, here you have to select that cell range here like this, or you can manually type the cell number here, then put a comma here. Then look at here, in this k we are going to give an array. To give an array, you have to at first open the second bracket here. After that, like this, 1 2 3, don't give a comma here. That means we are going to only average of the first 3 results here, as we have given the 3 in number. Then close the second bracket, close the brackets and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing the result, and if you copy the formula from upside down, the result will be showed like this. Look at here friends, I have put 6 twice here to show you properly. The average of 2 6 is 1 6, right? So let's check how this formula actually works. The large function here can retrieve the top specified value from a set of values. So for example, large, and you have given this cell, it will return the highest value. In this case, we are asking for more than one value by passing the array constant 1, 2 and 3 into large for the second argument. This causes large to return an array result that includes the highest 3 values. The average function then returns the average of these values. The average function is programmed to automatically handle array results, so it is not necessary to use the Ctrl Shift and enter to enter the formula. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you learned a new trick of combination of average formula and large formula in Microsoft Excel. Give a big thumbs up if you like this video, share this video with your friends, share your opinion as well as your queries in the comment box. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel and stay tuned.